Hello everybody, my name is Danny. This is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Milwaukee M12 rivet gun. Model number on this guy is 2550-20, or rivet tool is what it's actually technically called. Basically, this guy just expands rivets to go into a fitting to hold something together. And basically, the rivets are going to go into the front just like this. Normally, there's a mandrel catcher, which is right here, which catches this little extension piece. But real simple, guys. Basically, they're going to go in, and you're going to pull the trigger. When you pull the trigger, it's going to pull this forward, and it's going to force this to expand. And what happens is, if you put this through a hole, and then this expanding behind it is going to hold the things together. A lot of the times, these are used on like auto parts and stuff like that. And I'm going to give you an up close and pull the trigger, and you'll see it popped off and expanded. And so normally these are going to fall into the mandrel catcher, which goes on the back of here, and we don't have on this particular tool. Super handy tool, guys. Definitely a really good way to put stuff together without a bolt on the back of the screw. There's nothing to loosen over time, so works really good for auto parts and stuff like that as well. Isn't going to loosen over time from vibration or anything. Thank you guys again for watching. We super appreciate everybody. We are looking for ideas for long form videos, so please send us those. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. We are going to give away this entire kit: Milwaukee M18 impact driver, drill driver, battery, charger, bag, all to a subscriber at the end of April, which is coming up here soon. And we are going to give a new tool away to a subscriber every month after that. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you in our next video. Thanks, guys. Take care.